Welcome to the Unity BootCamp lesson on creating a leaderboard. brainCloud leaderboards are highly configurable, and your app can have multiple leaderboards configured in different ways. Leaderboards can be sorted from high to low or low to high. There are 6 different types of leaderboards: high value, low value, cumulative, last value, arcade low, and arcade high. Leaderboards can have different rotation types. They include never, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. You can easily check the time of the leaderboard's next rotation. Head over to the brainCloud portal. We're going to create a leaderboard. On the left, click Design, then click Leaderboards, followed by Leaderboard Configs. To create a new leaderboard, click the New Leaderboard Config button. Give the leaderboard a name. We'll call this one Main, as it's going to be the primary leaderboard for the example game. We're going to stick with the default leaderboard properties. This is a high-value player leaderboard that never rotates. Click the Save and Close button. The leaderboard has been created. On the right, click the 3 vertical dots, then click View Scores. Obviously, we don't have any entries, but as users play your game, leaderboard entries will be populated here. We're going to use the Cloud Code API Explorer to run through some of the common leaderboard requests. On the left, click Design, then Cloud Code, followed by API Explorer. First up, we need to authenticate. Select the leaderboard service. The first request that we're going to look at is called List All Leaderboards. This request is useful if you have multiple leaderboards in your game. Click Execute to make the request. In the response, you can see that only one leaderboard was returned. But if your game had multiple leaderboards, they would be returned in the response as well. The next request that we're going to look at is called Get Global Leaderboard Page. Enter the leaderboard ID parameter. The rest of the parameters can stay as the default values. Click Execute to make the request. In the response data, the main leaderboard does not have any scores in it. Let's change that. From the drop-down list, select the Post to Score to Leaderboard request. Enter the main leaderboard ID parameter. For this example, we'll leave the score and nickname as the default values. Click Execute to make the request. The score has now been posted to the main leaderboard. From the drop-down list, select the Get Global Leaderboard Page request. Enter the leaderboard ID, then click Execute to make the request. Notice in the response that the score we just posted was included. On the left, click Leaderboards, then Leaderboard Configs. Click the 3 vertical dots, then click View Scores. There's the score we posted. We're going to reset the leaderboard since the score we posted wasn't a genuine high score. In the field, enter Delete, then click Reset. The next few lessons will be all about integrating the main leaderboard and posting scores from the example game. Requesting a leaderboard is the next lesson in the Unity Bootcamp.